On April Fool's last year, I put Steam on a microwave. And don't get mad at me, that is in fact Steam on a microwave. Shut up. But then I wondered, is it possible to put the other Steam on a microwave? What do you think? The video's out. Hi. Now if you're a returning viewer to the channel, I know what you're thinking. That's not to say I'm not going to upload for 3 more months. No, that's not. I will upload soon. Well, the Candid event hit early this year. I shattered my thumb. You see, I was in the gym doing a bench press. And you know what? Lightweight, baby. First set, no problem. And then I went to do the first rep. And fuck! That's not to say I wasn't creating anything. I've been working on my final project for my animation class. And read it and weep, baby. Okay, enough of that. So how are we gonna game on a microwave? Is that even possible? Well, yes. About a year ago, I made a video like this where we gamed on a Hot Pocket. To do that, we used that. So the plan is to take out the innards of a microwave and then put this in there. And we should be good. Now, where are we gonna get a microwave? Luckily, we have Craig. All right, so we have our microwave, we have our computer, but we need a screen. So this is about average size. So let's go on eBay and this one should work.
Later.
It's here. Now I haven't opened it yet, but I removed the shipping label so I don't open the door and get Gail Bettergerd. So this is the eYoYo 10.1 inch small. That's not small. HDMI monitor. So we should be able to just like stick this on the front of the microwave and plug it into this thing somewhere in the microwave. This took way longer than it needed to. So here's a recap. I opened up the box and fell in love with the screen. I mean, look at all this stuff in here. It even comes with a remote. I then got to taking apart the microwave. I only really needed to get into the door so I can find a way to remove this thingy. So I can, you know, see? I got this piece off, but saw it was needed to shut the door. So I used my zero critical thinking skills and nope. So anyways, I put the screen on the microwave and decided, yeah, that's good. I then got to work on taking all of this crap out so I can fit a computer in there and run everything through the back. I didn't have a wrench I needed, so I went to my car to grab a socket wrench, and of course it still didn't work. Anyways, I found a wrench I got to assemble this desk a few videos back because of a sponsor. Sponsor? Wait, that reminds me. Today's video is sponsored by boot.dev. You know what coding is, right? Well, I sure do. I took coding classes in college and I can speak firsthand. The worst part about coding is how boring it can be. But luckily with boot.dev, you can learn to code and have a good time. I've had to learn Linux in the past for my videos and how to, oh, you know, use it. And boy howdy, do I wish I didn't go at it without help. Luckily with boot.dev, it has ways to further your knowledge of it so you can one day use your skills in real life. Hey, you terminal, because I'm thinking we CD my place. Along with Linux, there's a lot of other cloud engineering platforms such as AWS, Golang, Docker, and all these other awesome... Wait, hold on a second. Much better. Boot.dev is available for you to try, and if you use my code, EternalLiam, you can get 25% off your entire first year on an annual plan. Thank you to boot.dev for sponsoring this video so I can get back to telling you that I got the fan out of there with this wrench and yay, empty microwave. I also found this conveniently placed little square that can be removed, which is perfect for routing cables. And with all that thrown together, here I present. Well, it's cheaper than a steam machine. This thing gets really noisy under load because I broke one of the fins off, but apparently this will fix it, so... That's the most oh fuck. Now, as you can see, we got the gaming keyboard and the gaming mouse. But this microwave is missing something. It may be hard to see, but there's some gaming lights in there. Let's just get to gaming. Now we have a couple games installed on here. So let's start with Rocket League. This is the Steam version of Rocket League, and I don't want to get it again. So the only choice we have is to play against bots. All right, okay. Not great, okay. Did I score? No. Oh, I did. Meat. Fair bit of lag. You see, I thought bumping this down to 768 would make it better than last time, but nope. Oh shoot, am I no. Oh, that's enough of that. Yeah, not great. At the end of the day though, there's only one game that's appropriate for this thing. Papa. Yeah. Yeah. Type your name below. I mean, if I have to. Oh, shit. That's me! That's me! Roy, that's not my name. And then Papa's just doing your mom. Bro, if my boss called my job an adventure, I'd explode. Yeah, me too, buddy. All right, what are we making? Is that equals 3? I guess we gotta do the first one to do it correctly, I guess. Don't worry, man, I'll get you the hookup. You want 8? I'll hook you up. I'm gonna hook you up, buddy. You gotta get the protein in. I know you're hitting the gym. You need those gains. Let's toss that sucker in there. And you know what? We want all those juices to really seep into the pizza, so we're just gonna let this go.
Later.
Okay, little crispy. Now you want to be microdosing this between sets. So, yeah, I think that's good. What's the verdict, Kingsley? What? Man, fuck this. I quit. Let's see what other slop resides out there. Cheeseria? Bro, pastaria? Wine, winter, what the wingery. Okay, dude, Papa has a fucking monopoly. Oh, this looks like AI. I ain't playing that. Papa, wait, we get to play as Papa? When the pizza's did Papa rip off Pizza Tower? Oh man, we're fucking playing on a calculator. Why is it so small? All right, dude, he can dash to, this is Pizza Tower. How do I beat you? Oh, do I have to collect things? This is just Pizza Tower. Screw this. I'm playing the real thing. All right, let's give this a whirl. Me too, man. There he is. That's my goat. This guy would be so mad if he found out what Papa Louie did. Like, these fuckers took his tower, and now you have this schmuck stealing his game? Nah. Why did I do this? I don't know. I know some of you have probably wanted me to run more stressing games, and I've already done that on this computer. You just have to watch another video for that. I think it's pointless to like do it all over again, if that makes sense. But yeah, I did it. I know it didn't look too pretty, but you know, not much of what I have does. But yeah, I'm back. Hopefully for real this time. I don't plan on breaking any more thumbs. Knock on wood. I know this video was short, but this is actually part 1. The second part's a bit more crazy. Here's a sneak peek. I know, edge of your seat. Anyways, that's all I got for this video. It will not take 3 months next time. It'll take maybe 1 or maybe 2 weeks. Could go either way. It depends on when the thing comes in the mail. But yeah, thanks for watching. That's all I got. Later.